What's up, guys? Fidget haul part 1. This circle rainbow poppet. So good. Next fidget. Peppa. Not really a fidget, but I love her. She's a squishy. Next one. My ice cream. I love it so much. Let's test it. So good. I love this one. Next fidget. A pop tube. It's so loud. Next fidget. Neato. And it's color changing. So cool. Simple Dimple. My fave fidget. Come back for part 2. Bye.